Hi students, in before videos we discussed some important concepts in ionic equilibrium based on pH and pOH. Now we will discuss some more important problems based on pH calculations. These are very useful for you. Don't miss it. Once look at the board. So calculation of H plus and OH minus for given pH values. For example, pH equal to 4.3. pH equal to 4.3. Here H plus equal to, already know that H plus equal to formula 10 power minus pH. H plus equal to 10 power minus pH. So that equal to 10 power minus 4.3. So how to write this? 10 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 0.7. So that equal to 10 power minus 5 into 10 power log log 5 value. Log 5 equal to 0.6990. Approximately you have to take that. So this is the anti-log and log cancel. 5 into 10 power minus 5. That is the value. Next, calculate the OH minus. What is the relation between these two? So OH minus equal to Kw by H plus. So here Kw equal to H plus concentration into OH minus. So that equal to 5 into 10 power minus 10 power minus 14 by 5 into 10 power minus 5. So that equal to 1 by 5 value 0.2 into 10 power minus 9. So that equal to 2 into 10 power minus 10. This is the OH minus concentration. So now I will explain one more example. So pH equal to 8.4. So calculate the H plus ion. H plus equal to 10 power minus 8.4. So that equal to 10 power minus 9 into 10 power 0.6. Your bases are equal, you have to add these two, get this answer. So here 10 power minus 9 into 10 power log 4, approximately you have to take the log 4 value, that equal to 10 power minus 9 into, so log and 10 cancel, that equal to 4 into 10 power minus 9. Here OH minus equal to Kw by H plus concentration. So that equal to 10 power minus 14 by at room temperature. So Kw value at room temperature 10 power minus 14 by H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 10 power minus 9 into 4. That equal to 1 by 4 value 0.25 into 10 power minus 5. So that equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 6. This is the OH minus concentration for given pH. So next, go to pH of amphoteric pieces. pH of the amphoteric pieces. So how to calculate the pH of the amphoteric pieces? So that equal to, for example, you take the H2 H3PO4. How to decompose this? So H3PO4 convert to H plus H2PO4 minus here Ka1, and next H2PO4 minus convert to H plus HPO4 minus 2. So here Ka2 and HPO4 minus 2 convert to H plus PO4 minus 3. Here Ka3. So here Ka1, Ka2, Ka3, Ka1, Ka2, Ka3. This is the first dissociation, second dissociation, third dissociation. In this, Ka1 always greater than Ka2, Ka2 is always greater than Ka3. Ka1 always greater than Ka2, Ka2 is always greater than Ka3. So here this is the acid, this give H plus ion. So it is act as amphoteric compound. So this is the amphoteric. Why? Because lose the H plus, that is convert to HPO4 minus 2, accept the H plus, that is convert to H3PO4. So it is acted both acid and bases, that's why that is called as amphoteric. So this is also amphoteric. For amphoteric pieces, how to calculate the pH values? For pH of H2PO4 minus, that equal to pKa 1 plus pKa 2 by 2. That is the average value of pKa of the first case and second cases. So next pH of HPO4 minus 2 equal to, this is also amphoteric pieces. Here pKa 2 plus pKa 3 by 2. So these are very important formulas. For example, pKa1 equal to 10 power minus 4, pKa2 equal to 10 power minus 6, Ka1 is equal to 10 power minus 4, Ka2 equal to 10 power minus 6, Ka3 equal to 10 power minus 8. So now calculate the pH of HPO4 minus. So how to calculate? Here pH equal to the average value of pKa1 and pKa2. Here pKa. So how to calculate the pKa? So minus log Ka, that equal to 4. So minus log Ka. Ka means 10 power minus 4. Minus of here minus 10 power minus 6 by 2. So that equal to 4 plus 6 by 2, that equal to 5, 10 by 2. So now calculate here pKa value. Here pKa value equal to 6. Here pKa value equal to pKa2 equal to 6, pKa3 equal to 8. So how to calculate the pH of this particle, amphoteric particle? So that is the average value of pKa2 plus pKa3. So that equal to, so 6 plus 4 by 2, 6 plus 8 plus 2, that equal to 14 by 2, that equal to 7. So this is the pH of HPO4 minus 2. So next go to calculation of concentration of HCO3 minus, amphoteric ion, that is also amphoteric ion. So H2PCO3 is a diprotic acid, H plus plus HCO3 minus. So here Ka1 and next that is decomposes to HCO3 minus, decomposes to H plus and CO3 minus 2. Here this is Ka2. Here Ka1 always greater than Ka2. Ka1 always greater than Ka2. So next, so Ka1 equilibrium constant equal to H plus concentration into, so HCO3 minus concentration by H2CO3. Here H2CO3 concentration is given in this problem, that equal to 0.025 m. So that equal to, so here HCO3 minus, so H plus concentration equal to HCO3 minus, that equal to HCO3 minus whole square equal to Ka1 into H2CO3 concentration. H2CO3 concentration. Here Ka1, so that equal to 0.025 into here H2CO3 concentration equal to 0.025. Here Ka1 equal to 4 into 10 power minus 7. 4 into 10 power minus 7. Have to write 0.25 into 10 power 4 into 10 power minus 8. So here square is there. So square root of HCO3 minus equal to square root of 0.25 into 4 into 10 power minus 8. 0.25 means 1 by 4. Here 4 cancelled. So square root of 10 power minus 8 that equal to 10 power minus 4. This is the concentration of HCO3 minus. So this is very important calculation. So next go to here some delta H values are given. Delta H of dissociations. Delta H of dissociation are given. Delta H of dissociation. So delta H of HCN is given and delta H of acetic acid is given. So which one is more? Delta H of HCN is greater than delta H of HCN is greater than. So delta H of acetic acid CH3COOH. So HCN is greater than acetic acid. So next, so HCN is a weak acid when compared to acetic acid. Why? Because here more energy, more dissociation energy is required to dissociation of HCN. So more energy required means that is the weak acid. That means Ka is KCN. Sorry, Ka of HCN is less than Ka of acetic acid. Ka of acetic acid. So here pKa of HCN is greater than pKa of acetic acid. These are the relations based on giving dissociation energies. So based on dissociation energy, how to identify which one is acid, strong acid, or which one is weak acid. Here HCN is a weak acid. Why? Because here more energy is required when compared to this. So weak acid Ka value is less. So Ka of HCN is less than Ka of acetic acid. Ka value is less, pKa value is more. So that is the very important problem. Next, go to Kw equal to 10 power minus 14 is given. Then calculate the pH and pOH. And another sum is there. So first in 5a. So here Kw equal to how much? 10 power minus 13. Here H plus concentration equal to square root of Kw. So that equal to 10 power minus 13 square root, that equal to 10 power minus 6.5. So here pH equal to, so this is the pH 6.5. pH equal to 6.5. So here pH equal to 14, sorry not 14, here Kw value minus 10 power minus 13, total pKw equal to 13, 13 minus 6.5, so pOH equal to 13 minus pH, that equal to pOH value, that is also 6.5. Here pH equal to pOH, that solution is a neutral solution. That solution is a neutral solution. Here Kw equal to 10 power minus 13, that means pKw equal to 13. Maximum pH is 13 and neutral pH is 6.5. Here neutral pH is 6.5. So next, Kw value is given 1.6 into 10 power minus 13. So here H plus equal to square root of here 16 into 10 power minus 14. So that equal to 4 into 10 power minus 7. 4 into 10 power minus 7, that is the H plus concentration. Here pH equal to, so pH equal to, what is the pH? So here X into, here H plus concentration in form of H plus concentration, X into 10 power minus Y. So here Y, pH equal to Y minus log X. So that equal to, so 7 minus, so log 4 value equal to 0.6. So that equal to 6.4. So 6.4 is a neutral pH. Here 6.4 is a neutral pH. Here pH value is given how much? pH value is given how much? 7. So that solution is a basic nature. Here neutral pH is a 6.4. Greater than 6.4, that is the basic solution. Less than 6.4, that is the acidic solution. So these calculations are very important. So remaining concepts I will explain next video. Don't miss it. These concepts are very important. So next video also very useful for you. So thank you very much.